Hey, good afternoon. Crispy Bear with a little Assa Abloy SCD. I don't know what that is, but it's a Scandinavian oval cylinder. It's a 6-pinner. You can see also the security measures with the steel bars around. It's an Assa, so we'll all know it's going to be full of goodies as well. I've only been doing it a couple of months, and I know it's full of goodies. I do have a key. There's the bitting on the key, not too bad, bit of a rise towards the back end here. They're not all exactly level. But, anyway, I'm going to use, because there's a rise at the back end, my DeForest diamond, or Reach diamond. This one's by Peterson. And I've got my own pry bar, which is nice and long, and I can put a good bit of wind on the core, which hopefully you can see all right. And just reposition this slightly. Okay, we good there? Yeah. So I'm going to slip it in gently, as they say. I think number 1 and 2 just popped in. 3. 6. I think 5 is in as well. Number 1, he was hiding behind there. Nice little turn on the core then. Going in the right direction anyway. Might just release a little bit of tension off. I've got one hung up somewhere. There we go. Number 4. What are we on? 329. Let's just give it a little gut in while we're only this far along. Okay. I do have the key if it does lock itself, but hopefully I did stop it here. They got the little star shape. Not your normal Phillips or flathead, of course. Okay, tailpiece off. And get a little follower. Okay, if I go through now like this, come on, focus. If I go through now like this, that's going to slip down. So we'll just tweak it to the side. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully so. All 6 cores, all 6 chambers there have got counter million in. So that was the clicking and what the last one got hung up on. And now, pièce de résistance. Okay, number 1. It's an Assa pin. 2, I'll be surprised. 3, varying sizes. 4. I might put some other pins in here because it's a great lock. Yeah, great little lock to train on as well. Yeah, we've only got normal springs in there. I can't see any. I can't see any sort of countermilling up in there or any other security measures. So let's have a little look. Oh. Okay, so we're all steel along the bottom, and all Assa pins of varying sizes at the top. Anyway, interesting. Nice little lock, good to play with. I'm going to put some other nonsense inside of it and pass it on to someone else. I have got 2 of these, so I can keep one, and I'll make one available. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, comment, all those other things, and yeah, see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Be good.